That song was brought to you by Jollibee Burger, Extra Special Langhap Sarap Burger, and Watson's Generics. Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%. Hello, it's 9:14. That time check was brought to you by Watson's Generics. Switch to Watson's Generics and save up to 80%. And Jollibee Burger, Extra Special Langhap Sarap Burger.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan na ang labada, kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda.
Honey, anong tingin mo sa blouse na to?
Gaanda.
Kung pwede ako dito sa slack.
Gaanda.
Kung mag-dress na lang kaya ako.
Gaanda.
Ngayon, kahit ano pang isuot ni Mrs., magaanda. Kasi gamit ng panlabas, Pride with fabric conditioner. Nililinis, pinababango, pinalalambot, inaalagaan ang kulay ng damit. Feel ko yata mag-pajama.
Gaanda.
Pride with fabric conditioner. Magaan ang nabada. Kaya si Mrs. mas lalong magaanda. Pride with fabric conditioner. Gawa ng ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
Morning, hon. Can you check out that diner in Brooklyn?
No worries. Google Maps.
Oh, have to post this sunset from the Empire State.
No worries. Instagram.
It's 7 p.m. Need to get a Broadway ticket now.
No worries. Got the email confirmation. No worries going online abroad. And no bill shock when you come home. With new Smart Postpaid All-Day Surf Abroad. Get 24 hours of worry-free unlimited surfing for as low as 450 pesos per day.
Ooh, nice bag.
Don't worry. Smart. Live more. Get 24-hour surfing in over 40 countries. From the largest network, Smart. Visit smart.com.ph/roam now.
Hey, how are you? Ba't di ka na gumigilig? Uy, what happened?
Nasunog kasi mukha ko dahil sa iba't ibang produktong ginagamit ko eh.
Ganyan din ang nangyari sa girlfriend ko before. Alam mo ba kung anong nagpagaling sa nasunog ng balat? Skinmate Shark Oil.
Skinmate Shark Oil?
Oo, Glacial Whitening Oil. It removes dead skin cells and blemishes, allowing new skin cells to dominate, making smooth, whiter, radiant, and younger-looking skin. Effective treatment din ito sa pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Skinmate Shark Oil is proven effective to whiten underarms and other body parts.
Talaga? Sige, bye. Bibili muna ako ng Skinmate Shark Oil para beauty.
Skinmate Shark Oil, available at Mercury Drug Store, Watson's, Robinson's, and Metro Gaisano.
Mga misis, para sa dishwashing na tanggal ang sebo, pati bakterya, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay sa'yo for only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Smart Dishwashing, tanggaling-galing.
Hi! After the cooking and the eating, time na for dishwashing o the pinaglutuang masibong-masibo at pinagkainang mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa'yo. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal-galing ang sebo. Tanggal-galing ang bakterya. Sa presyong kigaan-gaan pa.
Thank you.
Smart Dishwashing. Ang galing-galing. Only 21 pesos per 200-gram pack. Suggested retail price.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Because you're special, Novelino Sweet Wine has a special tip for you. Give dry wine, you get a taste that's bitter. If you don't want bitter, giving sweet wine is better. Bitter?
Oh, so better. Novelino makes your love so sweeter. Because you're special. Oh, that was special. My wine and only Novelino.
Drink responsibly.
One man, that's you, and one bank, Metro Bank, offers you an epic Metro Bank home loan that comes with a chance to win 1 million pesos. To make your dream home come true, apply online or at your nearest Metro Bank branch now and get a chance to be one of the 5 winners of 1 million pesos.
For DTI STD permit number 2402 series of 2014. Promo is until December 8. See flyers for more details.
Ngayong Halloween, may kasalanan. Marami na ngayon mo lang makikita. At
Bakit nakakatakot ang Halloween? Pwede namang happiness. Star City Halloween Event. October. Kids 12 years old and below in Halloween costume. Get 50% off on ride. All you can. October 31, 2014. At ang sambutan, gagawin ding kantahan. Free concert featuring 143 and Princess Velasco. O yan, happy na talaga ang Halloween sa Star City. Star City. October. More rides. More fun. For DTI FTEB SPD 4449 Series of 2014.
Someone once said, it is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. But I believe everything that happens for a reason.
96.3 Easy Rock, Viva International Pictures, MVP Entertainment Philippines, and SM Cinema invite you to the red carpet premiere of Nicholas Sparks' best-selling novel, The Best of Me. Starring James Marsden and Michelle Monaghan on October 21, Tuesday, 7:30 p.m. at the SM Megamall Cinema 6. Special thanks to Bigger Light Tea, para sa tiyan na sexy, Bigger Light Tea, Oral Care, Real Mouth Clean, Real Confidence, Cow Chews, Calcium Goodness You Can Chew, and William, ang tulay ng Pilipino, CTBC Bank, formerly China Trust, We Are Family, Exped Socks, Singhutin mo baby, 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven every day, Star City, the happiest place for the family, and Buddha Bar Manila.